How to fix something went wrong in Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are various reasons why you might be facing this issue. So firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Facebook. Make sure the Facebook application is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly, and if not, then go ahead and update the application further. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to Facebook and tap on it, and then go ahead and offload the app. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Next, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Facebook application you see there. Now, in the menu that appears, tap on the Remove App option and then tap on the Delete App option. Tap on Delete again, and once deleted, open App Store again and search for Facebook and reinstall the Facebook application again and open the app. And by now, your issue should have been fixed. And if not, then go ahead and check if you are connected to any type of VPN services. And if yes, then go ahead and disable VPN proxy or any ad blocker that you are connected to currently and restart the Facebook application, and your issue should have been fixed. So this is how you can fix something went wrong in Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.